26 pounds. It's slowly leaking air. All right, let's fix this. In case his weight comes off, I'm going to mark on the tire and on the rim exactly where this goes. Murphy's lube here. Oh yeah, look at that. Mix it with a little water. I did it. This leak in here. There it is, right there. It's been plugged a couple times. Let's see if we can do this the right way. We don't need to take the tire all the way off. Prop it up with the cinder block here. Keep it open. We can get to that. So you can see where I plugged it right here. I actually had to do it twice. Those are two plugs, and it's still leaking. So I'm going to take those plugs out and patch it. Come on, man. Let's give this a try. Oh, well, there's the issue. Look at that. There's the little nail right there. I never got it out. Ah, there it is. Alright, so this is what I picked up. This massively strong agricultural tire repair patch. I'm going to use this smaller one. It's about 3 inches, about 3 inches. Also have a little manual buffer stitcher thing. You can buy those, you attach to a drill, but figured I'd pick up this for a few bucks while I was in the store, along with a little bit of vulcanizing cement. I got another idea. I don't have a buffer tool, so I'm going to try this Dremel attachment here. Just see if I can sand this down a little bit. Let's suck up all that rubber dust in there. I'm going to let this dry. Alright, now that we're dry, let's go ahead and put this patch on there. B direction, okay. That's right there. And we will work out all the air bubbles. This little film off here. Okay, and one last step. Just throw some more glue on there. Okay, all finished. Let's get this tire blown up and put back on the truck. Get yourself one of these, hands free, and lock it on there, turn it on, then you can blow it up like this. There we go. We'll see the bead in a second. Wait for it. There you go. $35, right on the money.